of the planet. The scale of the challenge we face is widely known, but conventional approaches cannot solve the problem we face. The need of the hour is to think out of the box, invest in our youngsters, and work towards sustainable development. Friends, the road to fighting climate change is through climate justice. At the root of climate justice is the principle of being large-hearted. Climate justice is also about thinking of the bigger and long-term picture. The sad reality is changes in the environment and natural disasters impact the poor the most. Climate justice is inspired by a vision of trusteeship, where growth comes with greater compassion to the poorest. Climate justice also means giving the developing countries enough space to grow. When each and every one of us understands our individual and collective duties, climate justice will be achieved. Friends, India's intent is supported by concrete action, powered by spirited public efforts. We are on track to exceed our commitments and targets from Paris. We committed to reduce emissions intensity of GDP by 33 to 35% from 2005 levels. You will be happy to know that a drop of 24% in the emission intensity has already been achieved. There was a commitment to achieving about 40% cumulative electric power installed capacity from non-fossil fuel based resources, and the share of non-fossil fuel sources in installed capacity of electricity today has grown to 38%. This includes nuclear and large hydro projects. I am delighted to share that we are making steady progress on our commitment to land degradation neutrality. Renewable energy is picking speed in India. We are well on track to setting up 450 gigawatt of renewable energy generating capacity by 2030. Here, I would like to applaud our private sector and several individuals who are contributing to this. India is also increasing usage of ethanol. Friend, sustainable development is incomplete without equitable access. In the direction too, India has made good progress. In March 2019, India achieved nearly 100% electrification. This was done through sustainable technologies and innovative models. India invested in LED bulbs long before they became the norm globally. Through the Ujala program, 367 million LED bulbs became a part of people's lives.